Have you ever thought of an application that could enhance the communication between the deaf community and the hearing community? We, a team from College Genius at Negara, have developed just the exact application. Bahasa Isyarat Translator, BIT, is an application that allows users to translate Bahasa Isyarat Malaysia into text and vice versa. We originally came up with this idea to bridge the communication gap with essential workers in our school who are deaf. We sternly believe that being able to converse in Bahasa Isyarat Malaysia BIM is just one step closer to an inclusive community.
There have been several approaches to enhance communication between the deaf community and hearing people, like referring to the internet or books, writing down the words, and also taking classes. There are still a few drawbacks though, because 1. People are busy and don't have the time or money to engage in learning BIM. 2. Books are heavy and older people have difficulty reading small text. Same goes with the internet. The older generation are less familiar with the internet, and in areas that have no internet service, translations through the web can't be done. 3. Written communication is not only tedious, but it is also challenging for those who have lower education levels. It is also more difficult for those who have learning or reading disabilities. Last but not least, 4. Malaysia is a multicultural country, and there are a multitude of languages used for communication.
From Bahasa Isyarat Malaysia into text. On the front page of the app, this feature can be accessed by tapping the Translate or Terjemahan button. The person will stand in front of the camera and do the motions of the signed message. The main mechanism for this part is motion tracking to track the movement of the targeted user in front of the camera. Then, a designated AI will analyze the database and directly translate the motions. The second part of the main focus is text to BIM. The application user will be able to access the BIM word dictionary to manually translate words to BIM. The BIM word dictionary allows users to search through the BIM word database to find the translation of the text into BIM. The target text translation into BIM will be in the form of video animation by augmented reality. The initial plan of the interface will appear like this. After the loading screen, users will be directed straight to the home page. Now, if the users get directed to the dictionary part, the top part will be the augmented reality function and the below part is the dictionary. In the dictionary folders, the signed words will also be included in animation.
We choose minimalistic as our features across the application. This is done in order to help reduce confusion when navigating the application. The key to minimalism is to have intuitive navigation and a simplified user interface without any friction and obstacles that could stand in the way of seamless browsing. One of the biggest problems with any script font is that it is difficult to read on smaller devices like mobile phones. This is due to the fact that the flourishes between letters can be quite elaborate, and in order to fit them into a smaller screen size, the letters can lose the message. That is why we choose bold and visible fonts for the design. There would be possibility that some words could not be translated into BIM translation. Therefore, we add submission function feature where BIM users are free to submit videos of them signing the new BIM translations that were not available on the application before. This will later be then proof-signed to ensure that the translation is correct and accurate. As we have mentioned in our problem statement, some people might cannot understand the language the BIM translations are in, which is Malay. Thus, we plan to have a Google Translate extension to enhance the usage of the translation for other languages.
And with that, thank you